Jagoro mongirore migawo mar Tuke Engineer Peter Tum kod jakom FKF Hussein Mohamed otieko romo mar ndalo ariyo kar jot mar jatend piny ma Uganda kama ne giromo gi jotend migepe mag tuke pinje adek go madhi bago tuke mag CHAN. Romo ma kamano nochwe kom gi min od jatend Uganda Janet Museveni kendo ne giloso korka weche momakore kod ikruok ne tuke mag CHAN. Jatend migawo mar tuke ma Uganda Peter Owang onyiso mor mare kaluwore gi okenge ma pinje adek go duto mag Afrika ma ugwe oseketo ne ikruok mar tuke go.
We have agreed on almost everything in line with what CAF had invited us to discuss, and I want to thank my senior minister, who is the First Lady, for chairing that meeting. Like PS Kenya said, we are now going to begin concentrating on managing the details of the tournament, which we had been doing, but in an area of infrastructure, all of us, the three, are ready in as far as the communication from CAF is concerned. So for me, as a host, I want to welcome my colleagues, and I look forward to welcoming them back here. For purposes of East Africa, we say Pamoja CHAN 2024, Pamoja AFCON 2027.
And I want to take this opportunity to say that we've had a very good meeting chaired by the First Lady of this country, Her Excellency Janet Museveni. And we have agreed on a myriad of things. One is that even as we undertake the planning, the issues to do with payment of the hosting fee, we've cleared. Each country now is going to organize to do the payment. The preparation in our stadia also have been confirmed because we have had assessments from CAF in Kenya and Uganda, and they have told us that we are good to go.